Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making these cute little breast cancer awareness ribbons, and I thought I would come on and show you guys how to make them. Maybe some of you may need them for your office or to hand out, so I thought this would be a really cute tutorial. And for the month of October, all sales, if you purchase something with the color pink in it, $2 from each sale will go to the organization Beyond Boobs. It is a organization that supports breast cancer research and an outreach education program for women with breast cancer. And so if you purchase something with the color pink, you will receive one of these in your order for the remainder of October. Alright, so let's get into how you make them. So first you're going to need some ribbon. I got this ribbon from Michaels, and you're going to need some pins. I do these without a hot glue gun. All you need is a pin to pin them. I got these pins from Michaels also, and it's 50 in the pack, and it is, I think, yeah, it's 10 yards of ribbon, and I got 2 of them, and I've already begun clipping on this one. And you're also going to need some snippers or some scissors, and you can make them as little or as large as you want them. I cut mine to 6 inches. So all I do is just keep lining the uncut ribbon up with the ribbon that is cut, and I just snip it on the end, and I just keep on doing this over and over and over again until I get a couple. Alright, so I've cut 3 already, and I just bend it over like that to form the ribbon, and I hold it, just go underneath and bring it through just a little bit. You don't need the pin to show too much, and just pin it back under like that and close it up, and you have your cute little ribbon. So let's do it one more time. I just hold it like this and fold it to where you want it to lay, and take your pin and pin it. And there you have it. Alright, so you guys can put your ribbons on your bonnet if you like, or you can pin it on your shirt like this. I think this is really cute. And I've added 3 pink items so far this month. I have this cute blush pink turban with a bow. I think it will go really well for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Next is this hot pink pocket tie bonnet, and it has a soft pink tie, and the tie has hot pink breast cancer ribbons going around it. And lastly, I have this pink cheetah bonnet, and it comes with hot pink lining, soft pink lining, or black lining, and I just added this one today. Okay guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and follow and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.